Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mike Sokol with Nasdaq, and I cover Hurco companies for the Market Intelligence Desk here. So it's my pleasure to be the first to welcome everyone to the market site for our closing bell ceremony. At this time, I'd like to introduce your executive host for today, Nasdaq Vice President of Listings, Joe Brantuck. Joe?
All right. Thanks, Mike. Well, good afternoon, everyone. It is truly my great pleasure to welcome Hurco Companies and its chairman and CEO, Michael Dore. Now, I'd also like to extend a warm welcome. I know we have members of the management team here. We have board members. I know we have customers and all our distinguished guests to Nasdaq. We are truly excited that you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Now, there is certainly a lot to celebrate today. So as Hurco was formed in 1968 and is here today to celebrate its 50-year business anniversary. This is certainly a major milestone and one that I think deserves a big round of applause. What do you say? So in 1968, Gerald Rock and Edward Humstone formed the company they called Hurco. Rock was the idea guy and Humstrong was the business guy. Mr. Rock grew up around his grandfather's tool and die shop where he discovered his passion for building things. His fascination was to simplifying processes combined with the emergence of computers led Mr. Rock to create Hurco. Mr. Rock has always been the epitome of a true innovator. He was always curious and asked lots of questions and never accepted the status quo. So he built a company that connected technology and people, and today, Hurco works each day to identify ways to simplify the process of manufacturing parts for nearly every industry, including automotive, military and defense, medical, aerospace, energy, and R&D. Today, Hurco is the leading industrial technology company that designs and produces interactive computer controls, software and computerized machine tools for the metal cutting and metal forming industries. Hurco did a private stock placement offering in 1969 and listed on Nasdaq shortly thereafter. So we are certainly proud of the long-standing relationship between Nasdaq and Hurco. Today, Nasdaq is proud to be partnered with Hurco, working together, driving innovation, driving growth, and this afternoon we're certainly proud to recognize all of you for your leadership, and we certainly wish you much continued success. And now, please join me in welcoming Michael Dore to the podium for further remarks. Come on up, Michael.
Thank you, Joe, and thank you to Nasdaq for asking Hurco to celebrate our 50th anniversary here in New York City. Hurco began 50 years ago in Indianapolis, Indiana, as a result of our founders, Jerry Rock's inventive mind. Jerry was always thinking of ways to make it easier and faster for our machine operators to get their jobs done. And I'm happy to say it is looking like 2018 will be Hurco's best year in our 50-year history. In the 1980s, about the time Hurco listed on Nasdaq and CNC machines came onto the machine tool market, Jerry invented a proprietary control using conversational programming software. This was truly revolutionary for our industry and is the foundation of Hurco's success. Our headquarters are still in Indianapolis, but we have sales and manufacturing offices all over the world. Our engineers in Indianapolis work hard every day developing mechanical and software technology to provide the best machine tools in the world. And that's why we say, mind over metal. I want to thank our employees all over the world for their hard work and dedication. I want to thank our shareholders for their continued confidence in Hurco. I want to thank our board of directors for their ongoing support and advice. And of course, I also, of course, want to thank our great customers for continuing to buy Hurco machines. And finally, I want to thank our management team of Greg Volovic, our president, and Sonia McClelland, our CFO, who work with me every day to drive Hurco to new success. Thank you.
got a good fan crew out here, right? Look at this.
Exactly.
Certainly on behalf of Nasdaq, I just want to say how delighted we are of the partnership, and we can't think of a better way to celebrate your 50-year business anniversary than having you all here today joining us to ring today's closing bell. And to commemorate that, I would like to present you with the closing bell crystal. Congratulations,
Thank
Michael.
you.